In this lesson, we are going to learn how to give image in your web page. Till now, we are giving web page background as color. Today, we are going to add an image as background of web page. To set it, we have to use background attribute inside opening body tag, and its value will be the full path of the image with the image name and location. Follow the example where we mention the background attribute inside body tag, and value of the background is the location of the image, that is D drive HTML, and under that name of the file is image and extension is .jpg. We have to pass the full path of the file, but if the file is in the same location where your HTML file presents, then no need to pass the full path of the file. You can put only the file name with the extension. In this way, you can set the background of a web page with image. Another one is image element. It is used to insert image into your HTML page as a content. For that, we have to use img element. It is an empty element. That means closing of img tag is not required. It supports the following attributes. First one is src attribute, or you can say source. SRC is mandatory because in it we are going to define which image we are going to show in browser, and its value is the file name with full path of the image. But to avoid giving full path of the image, you can put the image file in the same location where HTML file present. Next one is align attribute. It is used to set the alignment of the image. It can be either left or right. Default value is left. Third one is ALT attribute. It is used to put a text in place of the image. If the image is taking a long time to load, or the image is not loaded or missing, then the text we passed as values in alt attribute will display in the browser. Next, to set the height of the image, height attribute is used. Its value can be either in pixel or percentage. Fifth one is width attribute. It is used to set the width of the image. Like height attribute, its value also be either in pixel or percentage. Final one is border attribute, which is used to give border to your image. Default value of border is 0 pixel. That means no border. You can set it as you wish. That's all about image element. In the next video, we are going to perform all these steps live. So keep watching that video too. And subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get new notification. And also give like and comment if you find this video helpful. See you in the next video.